What's up people, it's the boy Joe here, back again with another video. This is a new series I am starting and it is about the computer number system, and I will talk about the computer hardware and computer architecture, computer digital electronics and many more. And so it is basically on the operating system too. So yeah, this is basically non-programming part that is related to computer with the numbers, digits, data structures, etc., and hardwares, and also algorithms, but it will come later. Algorithm part will come later. So what we are talking about today, we are talking about what is binary. So what is a binary number? So a computer doesn't understand our normal decimal, that is our 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and it ends up to the infinity. But basically there are 10 numbers, main are 0 to 9, and then it gets repeated itself. So yeah, basically the decimal, the computer cannot understand it. So computer understands only 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. Think of a like electrical switch of your tube light switch. 0 means off and 1 means on. So computer understands it. And now what happens when you enter a decimal number, and how the computer gets read it. So the computer, it converts the decimal into binary. So yeah, we can convert decimal into binary. So here you can see the 0, which is the first number that is counted, and it is written as 00. You can also write only one part, this one, and not this one, but it is better to write with double and then 1. It is written as 0 1. Combination is 2, it is 1 0. So we give 1 here on the left and 0 here on the right, and 3 is all total 1. So now you can see we are out of options and we cannot combine any other combination, so that will not repeat itself. So in 4, what we do is add another. So here now you can see 3 numbers. This is all called a bit. So what is a bit? A bit is short for binary digit. It is the smallest unit of data on a computer. Each bit has a single value of either 1 and 0. Executable programs are often identified as binary files. So where you can see when you write a C or C++ program, and in the compiler, and after compilation the compiler converts the file into a .bin file, that is the .binary file. So the computer then reads that executable files and then runs your program. So yeah, you can see what a binary is. So here it is the 5, and it is 101. 6, it is 110, and 7, it is 111. So now again we are out of options in 8, so we will add another. So now it is a 4 bit, you can see, and now we add 1 in the last part, and in 10 we added it, make it 0, and we add 1 in the left. So in up to 9, 10, 11 and 12, up to 12 this part remains constant and this part changes. Like next one, 11 will be 1 0 1 1. Also up to 11, it is up to 11 it will remain the same, and then from 12 we will have another part, not another one. So we have this 0, so we can convert it in 1. So we will make it 1 1 then again 0 1 and 0 1 1 1 1 1 and another 1 1 4 0. First we'll make it 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So it is 13 14 15. This is the binary number system, and next this will be a series. So first we will go to binary. So we did it, what is binary number, and now we will go to how to convert decimal to binary, and also vice versa. Then how to add binary, how to subtract binary, how to multiply binary, and how to divide binary. Then we will show you one's complement of binary and the two's complement, and etc. So yeah, this will be the next videos, and it will be uploaded time by time. No specific date or time is given. I will do it when I get the time. So that was in this video. Hope you understand what a binary is, and hope you like this video. Share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up in a later part. Till then, bye bye, peace.